This 2018 Keystone Sprinter Limited 359 FWMPR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, air conditioning, spare tire kit, external shower, slide-out, stovetop burner, DVD player, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Sprinter Limited 359 FWMPR is 10,850 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.